Want to compile and organize specifications more efficiently? Then follow along for an overview of SpecPlanner, a feature that will enhance productivity while reducing errors and maybe even your stress levels. Let's begin by accessing the SpecPlanner from the left side menu. Note that the project you are creating specifications for appears here. If you need to change to a different project, use the drop-down menu. If you need to create a new project first, check out the Create a New Project video. In the SpecPlanner, you will be prompted to start creating your specifications by choosing master format sections. You can add them in two ways, manually or from a template. To add master format sections manually, click Add Sections and toggle on all the sections you will need for this project. It's a good idea to review your project scope before adding sections so you are sure to add what you need. Use the arrow to add subsections as well. Close the Manage Sections pop-up, and all the sections and subsections you added will appear on the SpecPlanner. The second, and even faster way, to add master format sections is to start from a template. Click on Templates to select one. If you have created a template or someone else in your firm has made one available to all, you will see it here. Otherwise, you will only see ASLab default templates. The tags should help you decide which template is closer to what you are looking for. Click on a template to see more information and the sections included. When you are ready, select a template and click Apply. Boom! Your SpecPlanner is instantly populated with master format sections from the selected template. It's like meal prepping, but for specifications. To learn more about templates, check out the link in the article below this video. Now that you have added sections, let's fine-tune them. You can add more sections one by one. Or you can use Manage Sections to add or remove multiple sections at once. It's time to bring in the materials. Click Add Products and you'll see 5 options. You may add products that you have saved in your firm library. Just select the product and click Add Product. If you have already saved products to schedules, you may add them to your specifications by choosing Select from Schedules. Search by Manufacturer allows you to search for products by adding the name of the manufacturer and selecting the products you want. If you do not want to choose specific products at this point, you can add the manufacturer only, and it will appear on your specifications. The next option here is to add a placeholder product. Use this option to add products that aren't yet available in our database. Select the category, add any information you have about the product, including a URL and image if you have them, and it will be added to your specifications. Finally, you have the option to request a product recommendation from our team of experts. Just select the product category and add a message with details about what you are looking for. Add as much detail as possible so that our team can better assist you, and hit Send. You'll receive a confirmation email immediately, and an ASLab expert will review your request. Our team's recommendations and any conversation with you will be stored in the Conversations tab. Now that you know all the options to add your products to the SpecPlanner, here's a neat trick. Since SpecPlanner and Schedules are integrated, the products that you add here are automatically added to Schedules. For example, the shingles, the door manufacturer, and even the placeholder flooring we've just added all appear in Schedules along with their respective master format sections. Pretty cool, right? But you know what's even better? The integration between SpecPlanner and Schedules goes both ways. If we click the spec icon in Schedules to deselect a product, it is automatically removed from the specifications. If we change the approval status in Schedules, it will show up in SpecPlanner. No need to update things twice. It looks like magic, but it's actually smart software. Finally, let's look at the options to customize your SpecPlanner. Move products to different master format sections to suit your needs by clicking on the 3 dots next to the product and choosing Change Master Format section. Remove products from your specifications when they're no longer needed. Adjust section heights with the Height button. Small is recommended for large amounts of data. Large is helpful for specifications with less data or where larger images are important. Medium is like the Goldilocks option, not too big, not too small. Before we wrap up, here is a tip. If the specifications you just created can be helpful to you when creating specifications for other projects, turn it into a template. Navigate to the Template button at the top right-hand corner and select Create Template from Current View. And that's it. Now you are ready to compile and organize specifications in ASLab's Material Hub. Start now to optimize your productivity.